Your clone is ready. Now let's put it in front of the people it needs to serve. In the next few minutes, you'll configure one embeddable link, then deploy that same clone experience 3 ways: a hosted page or iframe, a full page built with AI build, and a custom interface with the Embed SDK. The key idea is simple. One configured link is your policy boundary. It controls the experience everywhere it goes. Start in your clone's integrations panel and open Embeddable Links. This is where you generate a shareable link or iframe for websites, apps, and internal tools. Click Create Link. First, configure the experience before you distribute it. In Capabilities, turn Chat on and name the Chat tab. You can choose a fresh session per visit, show thread history, open the sidebar by default, and enable chat search. Turn on info when this experience also needs a profile-style view. And if you plan to offer voice or real-time video, enable those capabilities here first. Next, frame the clone for this specific audience. Description lets the same clone appear differently on a public customer page than it does inside an internal tool. Then, open instructions. Add custom guidance and a greeting for new chats. You can use Notice Experience when those values are known. Leave the greeting blank and the clone waits for the visitor to speak first. Now make it look native to the destination. In Theme, set the page density to comfortable, the radius to extra large, and match your page color tokens. Then move to Chat Surface to style the user and assistant bubbles, composer, and send button. This changes the presentation, not the clone's core behavior. Before launch, run the 3-question checklist. Where can it run? Who can use it? And how much can it use? In domains, enter 1 domain per line. Leave the list empty and the link can run on any domain. Add domains and public links are disabled. In Access, choose Anonymous, Access Key, or Signed In. Remember, blocked entries always win over allowed entries. Then confirm security. The defaults shown here are an 8,000 character maximum message length, 20 messages per minute per visitor, 2,000 messages per day per link, and 60 new chats per day per visitor. Set these controls before you copy a public URL. An iframe is not a separate, ungoverned clone. It inherits this link's rules. Back on the Embeddable Links overview, you have 3 ways to distribute it. Copy the shareable link for an instant hosted experience with no engineering required. Every embeddable link can also double as an installable phone app. For a fast embed, copy the embed link and place it in a standard iframe inside a section on your site. Then, switch live on. This is the fastest option when you want the ready-made chat surface in a specific place on an existing page. But here's the standout route: AI build. Instead of building the full page yourself, describe what you want in plain language. Try, build a landing page for my consulting practice with the chat in the bottom right corner. You can also paste a URL to imitate or upload a screenshot and explain what needs to change. AI Build generates the hosted page around your configured link. Use versions and branches to compare directions. Watch the Building with Claude Fable 5 status, then save changes. This is the fastest route from an idea to a polished, chat-ready page without handing a front-end brief to a team. For component-level control, use the Embed SDK. Load the CloneForce embed script once, then wrap your interface in CloneForce embed with your link identifier. Inside it, compose CloneForce avatar, CloneForce name, CloneForce bio, CloneForce messages, and CloneForce composer. Rich mode supports images, video, cards, and voice. Use No Rich for a lighter interface. And CloneForce Call with kind set to video gives you a documented video call surface. For identity, set context provides unverified claims, useful as hints, but never as trusted authorization. Use SOT sign or identify with an assertion when identity must be verified. Style the experience with CSS variables and part hooks. Then let your app respond to events like CF ready, CF message sent, and CF reply received. That's the deployment model. Hosted link or iframe for fastest serving, AI build for the fastest complete page, and the Embed SDK for deepest control. Same clone, same configured governance boundary, deployed wherever your audience already is. Open your clone's integrations panel, click Create Link, and ship your chat experience today.